Hello friends, on this video right now I'll show you how to add fingerprint on your mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. First of all, you have to move on setting. Then from here you have to scroll down to apps. Okay, on the down you're going to find the apps option. So here it is. So you have to click on it. After you have been click on it, here is the app lock. Okay, so you have to click on the app lock. Then from here you have to confirm your lock. Okay, if you set the lock, you have to confirm it. If you have not set, you have to set it. Then click on setting. Then here is it said the password, pin, any that you want to set. I choose the pin. It says remember your password. If you don't remember it, the photos, the videos, contact, it will be deleted. Okay, click on got it. Then here you have to confirm it that you have set. You can check it also. If you did mistake, I did mistake, right? So I'm going to cancel it. Here now right click on continue. Then here again we have to confirm it. You can hide also if you want to hide. Okay, here I have confirmed, and now we have to scan our finger. So let's scan it. You have to move your finger here and there. Okay, then only it will be done. Okay, see, I'm moving my finger. See, it has been added. Okay, added successfully your fingerprint. So click on done. This is the first fingerprint for the app lock. Okay, so friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.